Today we'll be demonstrating user functionality of the Texecom Premier Elite panel. To part set the Texecom Premier panel using a 4-digit code, first enter your 4-digit code at the keypad and then press the part button, and when prompted to do so, press yes. The alarm system will now arm. The alarm system is now part set. To unset the Premier alarm system after a part set, enter via the designated entry route and enter your 4-digit code at the keypad. And the alarm system is now unset. To part set your Texecom Premier panel using a fob, first present your fob at the keypad, then press the part set button, and then if you want the evening arm, press yes. The system will then arm part of the area of the premises. The part area is now armed. To unset the Premier alarm system after a part set, enter via the designated entry route. Present your fob at the keypad, and the alarm system is now unset.